Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today we're making an adorable crochet bunny, perfect as a cute gift, a lovely decoration, or even a sweet little companion for yourself or your loved ones. Don't worry if you're new to crocheting, I'll guide you step by step. You've got this. Let's create something amazing together. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. Ready? Let's get started. We'll begin with the bunny's ears. You'll need to make 2 of these. Grab your yarn and hook and let's dive in. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Make 6 single crochets into that ring. Pull it tight to close the circle. Amazing job, you've just laid the foundation for the ear. Tip, keep your tension even so the ring closes nicely. Next, for round 2, we're increasing. Do 6 increases, that's 2 single crochets in each stitch from the last round. You'll end up with 12 stitches. Look at that, it's already growing. You're doing great. Tip, use a stitch marker to keep track of your first stitch. For rounds 3 through 8, simply work 12 single crochets in each round. That's 6 rounds of 12 single crochets each. Take your time. This is the relaxing part. You're shaping the ear perfectly. Tip, if your hands get tired, pause and stretch. You've earned it. Now let's move to the head. For round 9, we're working 24 single crochets. This starts forming the head's base. You're halfway to a cute bunny already. Awesome work. Tip, count your stitches carefully here to stay on track. For round 10, we'll do a pattern. 3 single crochets, then 1 increase, and repeat that 6 times. You'll see the head taking shape. Fantastic effort. It's looking so good. Tip, mark your increases to make the next round easier. Next, round 11, do 2 single crochets, 1 increase, then 2 more single crochets and repeat that 6 times. You're building up that cute bunny head. I'm so proud of you. Tip: keep your stitches snug for a smooth finish. For round 12, it's 5 single crochets followed by 1 increase, repeated 6 times. Look how round and adorable it's getting. You're a crochet star. Tip: check your stitch count here. You should have 42 stitches by the end. For rounds 13 through 18, work 42 single crochets in each round. That's 6 rounds total. This is the perfect time to relax and enjoy the rhythm. You're doing wonderfully. Tip: now's a good time to attach the eyes. Place them between rounds 13 and 15, with 7 stitches between them for that cute bunny face. For round 19, we're decreasing. 5 single crochets, then 1 decrease, repeated 6 times. You're shaping the head now. Great focus. Tip: use a hook to pull your decreases tight for a neat look. Round 20 is 18 decreases. That's a decrease in every stitch around. It's closing up fast. You're so close. Tip: start stuffing the head before it gets too small. Use small bits of stuffing for an even fill. Time to stuff. Add your stuffing now, making sure it's firm but not overstuffed. Look at that, your bunny is coming alive. You're doing an incredible job. Tip: use the back of your hook to push stuffing into tight spots. For round 21, do 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, and repeat that 6 times. You're almost there. Keep up the amazing work. Tip: keep your stitches tight as the opening gets smaller. Finally, round 22. 6 decreases. You've made it to the end of the head, woohoo! Fasten off and weave in the ends. You're a crochet champion. Tip: use a yarn needle to close any tiny gaps. And there you have it, your very own crochet bunny. Isn't it adorable? You did an amazing job, and I hope you're proud of yourself. If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your bunny with me in the comments. I'd love to see it. Thanks for crocheting with me. See you in the next video.